We are now on our way to one of the most stunning villas in Bali, and I can't wait. But it looks like I'm going to have to. We're travelling at the southern part of Bali and we've just arrived. I hope it's as good as I think it is.
Yeah, okay.
When I first saw this view, it literally took my breath away. Sohamsa Ocean Estate is comprised of 2 stunning clifftop villas with a total of 9 bedrooms and 2 pools. Villa Soham has a stunning infinity pool overlooking the crystal clear turquoise ocean. I've never seen a view this good ever in all the places we've been. Let me give you a tour of this exciting villa. Villa Soham is a 5-bedroom villa. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs, plus the living areas with ocean views and alfresco living. There's a lounge with entertainment system and open plan living with dining area. And a huge balcony. Downstairs, there's 3 large bedrooms, each with their own bathroom. Try the other door. Another advantage of a villa is that you get massages at a fraction of the price compared to a day spa. For dinner, we had a Thai beef salad, fried calamari rings with a tartare sauce, chicken satay with a spicy peanut sauce and steamed rice. And for dessert, a vanilla panna cotta with tropical fresh mango. It's breakfast time. We had freshly squeezed orange juice, fresh tropical fruit, yogurt, poached egg with sausage, bacon and tomato. Here we are in Bali at Sohamsa Villa. Have a look at this place. It's unbelievable. And we've got our chef Noor who's going to cook for us a beautiful meal. Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What meals have you got for us today?
Today I make the main course betutu. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Balinese popular food. Can make from duck, yeah, and chicken. Yeah, but now we make from chicken.
From chicken. Yeah. Sounds good to us. All right, let's go into the kitchen.
Yeah.
For the spices, we have brown sugar, coriander, black pepper, salt, cloves, dried black chili, candle nut, nutmeg, and a type of galangal. And these are aromatic stones. And then we have shallots, lemongrass, chilies, kaffir lime fruit and leaves, bay leaf, aromatic ginger, galangal, turmeric, and garlic. So all these ingredients have been chopped up and put into here. So coconut oil, yep, in the pot. Add the ingredients. So you're toasting it to release the aroma. The chicken is then rubbed with shrimp paste, both inside and out. It's seasoned with salt, coated with coconut oil and a little lime juice. The mixture is nicely toasted after about 5 minutes. A little mixture is placed inside the chicken cavity and rubbed on the outside for extra flavour. The mixture is mixed with some water spinach that's been blanched and then filled inside the chicken. This is a whole banana leaf. It's coated with coconut oil. Bay leaves are added, plus some kaffir lime leaves inside the chicken. It's then rolled tightly and wrapped inside the banana leaf. and then tied, ready for cooking. It's placed in a steamer and cooked for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it's removed and ready to bake in the oven for another hour. The chicken is now ready and the leaves are cut open, and you find a juicy, tasty, super aromatic chicken. Make sure you order this dish when you come here. And if you need to burn off some energy, you'll also find a fully equipped gym with big glass windows overlooking the water. Let me show you the second part to this amazing villa. Villa Hamsa has 4 bedrooms. Upstairs, you'll find a master bedroom suite surrounded by glass windows, a 180-degree ocean vista to the right, a bathroom with indoor and outdoor showers, and to the left, a pool right outside your door. Inside there's a lounge, entertainment area, high cathedral ceilings, and a marble dining table, all surrounded by these relaxing water ponds. Downstairs, there's 3 more bedrooms, and each room has its own bathroom. And now, tuna sambal mata. Lime juice is squeezed over a fresh piece of tuna. It's seasoned with salt and pepper. Coconut oil is heated in a pan, and the tuna is seared on both sides. It's then broken apart into a rough texture. Mild chilli, hot chilli, garlic, kaffir lime, lemongrass, and shallots are chopped up. The tuna is added to the mixture along with brown sugar and seasoning. Coconut oil is heated up, 2 types of lime juice are added, and the hot coconut oil is poured over the mixture. It's bringing out the aromatic flavours of each ingredient. What a great idea! Tonight is barbecue night and we have a seafood feast. And now it's time for dessert. We're having dada galang, a Balinese crepe. This is mixed shredded coconut with palm sugar, all-purpose plain flour, an egg, pandan leaf infused water, some milk, and baking powder. Now add the egg and pandan water to a mixing bowl. Mix well, add some salt. Mix the baking powder with the flour. Whisk well until you get a smooth batter. Add a little oil and some milk. And mix well. Oil a hot pan, add the mixture, and cook it like a crepe. Flip it over. Done. Now add the coconut filling and roll into cylinder shapes. It's served cold with ice cream. Sadly, this is our last day here. Check out my Instagram account for behind the scenes video tips and much more. Our last breakfast at Sohamsa Ocean Estate. It's always sad to leave such a beautiful villa.
Yes, we've had a wonderful time.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you
Very much.
See you again, guys. Don't miss my next Bali tasty travel as we taste more traditional Balinese food in a fun and luxury villa.